chair rail can be used for any number of wall treatments. I'm going to use mine for vertical shiplap. So my first step is to measure from my floor to where I want my chair rail to be. Then I'm going to measure the width of my wall so I know how long to cut my chair rail. The next step is to identify the studs in my wall. I'll attach my chair rail to my studs to make my chair rail secure. Last step, let's put up our chair rail. So first things first, I'm going to make sure that it's level with those marks that I made from the floor. Then I'm going to use my level and tweak it on either side to make sure that it's straight. From there, I'm going to use my brad nailer, starting in the center, and add a brad nail where my stud was marked. Then I'll continue on either side, making sure that it's level while I'm putting my nails in. There you go, corner's all done. Time to finish the rest of the space. Now we have our completed chair rail.